Hello guys, it's Ellie the Empress. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. So today I'm doing an unboxing from Brazzers. And I want to thank Brazzers so much for sending me all of these wonderful items. So I know you guys are curious as to how I even came about getting this box from Brazzers. And you know, it's a little surprising for me as well. So just randomly, I was on Instagram and I received a DM from Brazzers social media team and they asked to send me some merchandise. And who am I to turn down merchandise? And merchandise from Brazzers, so why not? Now, I am super happy to unbox this with you guys. It is a lot of stuff. And I'm probably going to do a try-on haul later. So if you want me to do a try-on haul of some of this stuff, then please put a comment below so I can do a try-on haul later. I just wanted to unbox it. So just a disclaimer, no, I do not do corn. I do not have anything that is corn related coming up anytime soon. And for now, let's just enjoy the unboxing and let's show you guys what they sent me, because I am really happy. I have a lot of things, so I am gonna do a try on haul, but I want to show you guys everything I have first before I do the try on haul. And you guys have to tell me if I should do a try on haul too, so you have to put that in the comments if you want to see this stuff on me. Okay, so this is gonna be the first thing. And this is a swimsuit. Look at this. This is gonna be a really nice on me. So they sent this in a large, which is perfect. It's gonna fit perfectly. Like, I really wanna wear this stuff, but I know people are gonna get upset if I wear it, you know? Like, some people would be mad at me because they're like, oh, you don't even do it. Why are you wearing it? So here are some shorts, some little like, house shorts. I can wear this around the house. So thank you, Brazzers, for sending me even like some house clothes. I think I could pair this with something though. You know, I could put anything into a photo. So let's keep going. I have so much stuff, you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me show you my box. A box full of things. So let's see what else. It looks like I have also a silver swimsuit like the green one. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Shouldn't I wear this, or shouldn't I just do a try on haul? I'll do a try on haul, you guys. We'll do a try on haul at least. These are some monogram stockings with the Brazzers printed on. So I got some stockings, and these are some women's lounge. I think maybe some women's lounge shorts. I would like to think, yes, women's lounge shorts. These are super nice. Ooh, I could think of even like some real ideas. I just, you know, we'll see. So here's some more thigh-high stockings with the Brazzers logo on there. Ooh, this is really pretty. So this will go with my shorts. Do you guys think I should wear some Brazzers stuff out in public? Would people know? Would they know? What would they think? This is the top. This is gonna go with my shorts. A really cute outfit. This is, let's see. Ooh, a one piece. Oh wait, this isn't a one piece. Why did I think it was a one piece? Those are in style. But this is a long sleeve shirt. And then this could go with my shorts. Oh my gosh, this is such cute outfits. This is my long sleeve shirt. So I have two outfits from Brazzers so far. Maybe I can do an outfit try on haul. And here is a little fanny pack. Nice Brazzers fanny pack. There we go. Really cute. Really cute. I also have, ooh, another long sleeve shirt. And this can also go with my shorts. So I have a short sleeve shirt to go with these shorts and a long sleeve shirt. Love it. Love it. Yes. What else? Ooh, I love pink. I love pink. It's like my favorite color. Here is a sleeveless shirt, Brazzers. And what am I feeling? Some shorts. We have some shorts. Some more Brazzers shorts. Love the logo. I'm guessing I'm gonna have a top to match with this. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I should definitely do a try on haul. Right? That won't hurt anything, right? The Brazzers. So I have a Brazzers short set here. I'm gonna put this here because I feel like I may be getting another long sleeve top. Am I a magician? So here's a long sleeve top to go with it. Super cute. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. I love the love. I also have a Brazzers bikini. Ooh. I love this. This looks so good on my skin. And it has 2 different colors, so I like that. I really love that. So it's another bikini. So it looks like I could split it up. I could do like a bikini haul, clothing haul, Brazzers socks. Love those. Looks like I can do a bikini haul as well as a clothing haul if I were to split it up. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, I really like this. Look at the back. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see what else is here. Have a jacket. Let's see if I can find. Ooh, felt something different. Hold on. Okay, I found the shorts to go with it. So I love that they sent me these Brazzers shorts, and I have them so far in like 4 different colors. 4 different colors, and then I have the shorts. We're gonna have to see if these shorts fit. Gosh, I would love to see how the shorts fit. I should at least try on the shorts, right? The top, and then I get a jacket, like a little, well, a long sleeve shirt. I keep saying jacket. It's a long sleeve shirt. Love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, should we try on at least some shorts? Let's do that. Let's at least try the shorts on. Let's at least try the shorts on, okay? Let's see. Let me try them on here with you. You guys can't see what's going on. Oh my gosh, I think they're gonna be perfect! Okay, so here are the shorts. They're gonna be so perfect. Oh my gosh. So as you see, the shorts are gonna fit so perfect. Let's keep going. I'm so excited. This is a Brazzers crossbody bag and bottle. I love it. Thank you, Brazzers. Look at this. Crossbody bag, bottle, love it, love it. Then I have, what is this? Oh, Brazzers sunglasses. Yeah, this unboxing was needed because I can try on sunglasses, but this is so cute. I feel so spoiled. I feel so spoiled. Brazzers is spoiling me? Oh my gosh. I feel so spoiled right now. This is crazy. Look at this. Hold on. I have to show you guys this now. Ooh. See the ring light. There we go. Oh, Brazzers. Okay, this is cool. I love this. All right, we have Brazzers sunglasses. And then, let's see some more. It never ends, it never ends. All right, I'll have another bikini. I love these colors. I love this. It's opposite colors. Beautiful. We have the logo here. I have another bikini. Another one piece. I love one pieces. In the back, I got the back. I got some more things. Let's see. Roll it in. Let's see what else do I have. That is, the box is empty, but I still have a few things on my lap. So I also have another tank top from Brazzers. Really cute. What is this one? Another, ooh, what is this? Another, oh, I think it's the one piece that I thought it was. I have a one piece outfit from Brazzers, but I think this is the back and this is the front. Yes. Nice. I love this little logo here on the side. This is really nice. Really cute. Oh yeah. So cute. And then we have this cute little shirt. I want to wear this. Yes, this is super cute. I think it's so cute. And then, last but not least, this cute little Brazzers skirt. You guys, this is too adorable. Alright, so that is everything that I have from Brazzers. It is a lot of stuff. I have a bunch of outfits, a bunch of swimsuits. So I need you guys to put in the comments below which try-on haul would you like to see me do first. Would you like to see me do swimsuits? Would you like to see me do the outfits? I kind of did try on the shorts already. But let me know which one you would like to see me try on. So just to make things clear, this is merchandise that I've received and I am honored to have this merchandise, super happy to accept it, and I just wanted to show you guys what I received. Super happy. I may be wearing it in the future. I may not wear it too much since you guys know, since we all know that this is just merchandise that I am happy to have and happy to share. Maybe I can put it on my other socials. I just don't want to give people the wrong idea, like I said. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And like always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much.